Free AI voiceovers usually suck, except for this one. This is PopPop AI, and it's changing the game for faceless YouTube channels. No credit card, no catch. Let's go. I'll leave a link to PopPop AI in the description below. Start by selecting the language you wish to use. At the time of this video, they have 29 different languages to choose from. Next, choose a voice. Currently, there are over 200 available. After that, enter your text. From here, decide on the tone you want. You have several options to choose from: cheerful to whispering, terrified to shouting, and more. If you like, feel free to adjust the pitch and the speed as necessary. Then when you're done, preview the sample.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
If you like it, download it and keep it for yourself. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any more future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.